Hello and welcome to the tutorial where we'll be adding OpenAI interoperability to a production. We'll dive in and see how we'll can create the power of AI into our application using Business Process Designer.
So to start with, I will demonstrate the current application that I have here in the Banksia Global Headquarters, which is emulating a process of publishing the ZPM applications on the Open Exchange. So in our case, we named it App Exchange just to be different from the Open Exchange that InterSystems actually runs. And I have a very simple production here. So I have a single service which has inbound requests. I have a single very simple process which will process those requests. And I have a single publish operation which actually does the application publishing to the application repository. And if we look at the structure of the request for this particular operation, you can see that it accepts the GitHub URL, the summary for the application, and the URL for the logo to be displayed on the application page. And what our hypothetical Exchange manager realized is a lot of times when people publish their application, they only provide a GitHub URL. They are too lazy to fill up the summary and to create a logo. And I think this is a great opportunity to utilize the artificial intelligence to fill up those gaps for us.
Okay, thank you, Sergey. To start, we need to download package from Open Exchange. You need Open Terminal and ZPM install bg dash OpenAI.
So can you tell a little bit about what this package can do for us?
Okay, this package contains operation which we can use for connecting with OpenAI API.
So can I add this operation right here?
Okay. After
which class should we use?
After processing is done, we need to add this operation to our production. Please choose OpenAI operation, Banksia OpenAI operation, and name this like OpenAI out.
Okay.
And make it enabled.
All right.
Yeah. Next, let's make a minimal stop for our operation. Please move to Operation AI settings, basic settings, and credentials.
Okay.
Please select this field. And
okay.
And
so actually, I already have one from the previous attempt, but we will create a new one. So
okay.
I'll say OpenAI API key.
Okay.
So what should I use as a username?
Okay, and the same username. Okay, and enter your API key.
So I already have an OpenAI API key prepared here in my Open Exchange demo. So I can just paste it here and save. All right.
And save, yeah.
And I'm choosing this
Next,
credential in my OpenAI operation.
please choose our credential.
And we
And
do
then
the same with, actually, I already have one created.
please choose OpenAI SL
Communication.
configuration.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. Next step, we need to modify our process. Please navigate to interoperability interoperability
I think it's build and then process.
build and process. And
Yes.
choose our process.
This is my
That's all.
original process. At the moment, it just does some processing for my request. And here I want to add a few calls to my OpenAI operation in case somebody forgot to add their summary or logo to their request. So we will start with a summary.
Okay. First, we need add a block to check if the URL of a repository and summary field.
All right, so I will check if my summary is empty.
Is empty. Yeah. In the condition fields, we enter request.
Yeah, so I already have this saved here, so I don't have to type it. So my condition will be if the request summary is empty, but the GitHub URL was provided.
Okay.
So I've got this one.
Okay. If our condition true, we need to call API. For this, we add call block.
All right. So we are calling our AI
and make a target of our operation, such as OpenAI.
So I can see that it actually accepts a lot of different requests. Which one we are going to use to generate our summary?
And it okay, we need to use a simple prompt request. And for response, we use simple prompt response.
All right. So let's set this one up. And I guess we now need to build the request.
Okay, we need to set up also action in the and this we need set for prompt set to prompt text like visit website. You will be provided. You have an example.
Okay. So pretty much this defines prompt for our artificial intelligence, and the next one, user input, will actually provide
Uh,
the input for a
for
particular.
yeah, for user input, we set GitHub URL, and for
Well, we can actually use this one.
and we link
URL will
with
go to our user input. All right.
um, and we need set model like GPT-4.
So as well. Mm-hmm.
And click OK.
All right. So we are ready with the pull request, I think.
And go
And
to
what about our response actions?
we need set to we need set to request summary variables like call response content.
Summary. There we go. Call
response.
All right.
Okay.
Yep. So I think we are ready with the call. What do we do next?
And click OK.
Mm-hmm.
Add a sync step to wait for a response.
Okay.
And in the calls field. Okay.
We are waiting
and
for
in
this
the
call, right?
Set name previous call.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please sync our block.
Yep. There we go. Okay, perfect. So we have a handler to handle the case where the summary is empty. And now we want to build another one for the case when the logo is not provided.
Okay. Next, config the logo generation part in the same way. We need add if element with condition for logo part. That condition check that there is a description for which image will be generated, and check if there is no image URL provided.
All right, so let's have this condition copy-pasted as well. All right.
Okay. Add call block.
So this call will generate.
Name it like generate logo. And in target fields, enter OpenAI out operation with request class image request, Banksy OpenAI message image request, and for response, image response.
Okay.
Okay. Set up our request. Open request builder, and for response format, we set variables like URL.
Okay.
In the fields operation, we set text generation. In the prompt fields, we put some prompts.
Okay, so I already have a sample prompt here.
Okay, and that's all. Click. Okay.
All right.
And configure customize response message class and action.
Oh yeah, response message. Yes.
Okay, we need set to URL logo.
Yeah. Well, actually, we need to modify this a little bit to get the first.
Get it first. That's cool. Yeah.
All right.
And sync add sync step for waiting a response. And in and in calls field, we enter generate AI logo.
Okay, and I guess we need to
please see.
solve this.
Okay, and yeah. And we need call.
Yeah, we need a step to actually call our publish, right?
Yeah.
So here we are going to use our app publish, which only has a single request and response. Okay. So we are just providing the same request values that are coming to our business process to this business operation.
Yeah, sure.
And we are providing this response as a response for our business process. Okay, great. So what do I do next?
And please click on complete compiler and return to our production. Please restart our process.
You are starting the process to apply the changes.
Please click on the test.
Okay.
And enter your link.
Let's try to publish the same BG OpenAI project. And I'm invoking the testing service without any summary or logo URL, hoping that our artificial intelligence will help us this time.
Okay.
Okay.
And go to Visual Trace to see the full application cycle and make sure that the correct data is transmitted in each process element. Go to the publish request and see that our element pull in and that
Let's have a
we
look at our application picture. Perfect.
oh successfully.
All right, great. So this is how we can very easily enable the OpenAI integration in our interoperability projects. Thank you very much, Marie.
Thank you very much, Cindy.